Want to know how to optimize Tenable for enterprise security and make your organization's defenses stronger? In this video, we'll dive into how Tenable can be used effectively, step by step, to enhance your security posture and how you can start using it for free. Stick around because I'm going to reveal some key tricks that will take your security to the next level. Let's get into it. First, Tenable is a leading vulnerability management software that helps enterprises identify, assess, and mitigate security risks. To optimize Tenable for your enterprise security, the first thing you need to do is integrate it with your existing infrastructure. Whether you're using cloud or on-premises services, ensuring seamless integration is crucial. Tenable provides a robust set of APIs and connectors that make this easy. You'll want to make sure it syncs smoothly with your network devices, cloud services, and asset management systems so it can identify vulnerabilities in real time. Next, take full advantage of Tenable's scanning capabilities. By scheduling regular scans and using advanced scanning features like credentialed scans, you'll get deeper insights into your environment. You should focus on high-priority assets first, your most critical systems, by customizing the scan schedules for those. Custom scans ensure that you don't miss vulnerabilities that could be exploited, which is key for proactive defense. The third thing to keep in mind when optimizing Tenable for enterprise security is setting up alerts and notifications. Tenable allows you to customize your alerting system based on severity levels and asset importance. It's essential to set up real-time alerts for critical vulnerabilities so your security team can take immediate action. You can also integrate these alerts with your incident response system, making it even more efficient. Next, leveraging Tenable's reporting features will help you stay on top of your security. Generate detailed reports to track trends over time, spot recurring vulnerabilities, and ensure compliance with industry regulations. These reports are valuable for executive-level communication as they help make the case for necessary resources and improvements. Don't just look at the reports, use them to take informed action that enhances security across the enterprise. The fifth thing is fine-tuning Tenable's user access management. Ensure that only authorized personnel have access to the most sensitive areas of the software. Tenable offers granular access control, so you can assign specific roles to users. By customizing permissions, you make sure that your team only has access to the information they need to perform their tasks, minimizing the risk of internal threats. As we wrap up, don't forget about continuous monitoring. Tenable's platform supports ongoing monitoring, which means you can keep track of vulnerabilities even after you've completed your scans. This feature is particularly important for larger enterprises with ever-changing infrastructures. Keeping the monitoring active ensures that you're always on top of new threats as they emerge. Finally, I mentioned earlier that you can use Tenable for free. That's right. We've partnered with Tenable to give you an exclusive extended free trial. Check the first link in the description below to get started with Tenable today and see how these tips work for your organization. To recap, integrate Tenable with your existing systems, use the advanced scanning capabilities, set up alerts, utilize reporting features, manage user access, and make sure you're continuously monitoring your systems. These steps will ensure you're getting the most out of Tenable for enterprise security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the link below to access your exclusive free trial and let us know how Tenable has helped you optimize your security.